welcome to our channel. English is there is no any enchantments. There is no magic. We will have to speak every single day, all moment. We will have to give some effort. Any just like short effort, it gives us multiple result. We will have to understand. We can recognize our capability, not only our capability but also our ability. We must be, you heard me right, this is the best way, this is the appropriate sentence for towards on enhance this skill. Our mind will be just like trained every single day. If we are giving our effort, this is the best way of learning English. And anything whatever, whenever, until unless we are giving our effort, and then try over and over again. If we do try, so ultimately and entirely way we will be learn. So this is the method of enhance any skill, boost any skill. We will have to try all this moment, that moment, this moment, those moment, it doesn't matter. So this is the way of boost any skill. Just like we didn't know before going to school for write something, and we didn't know how can we wrote, how can we write, how can we read, and how can we speak anything, whatever, whenever. We didn't born before born in this earth, in this era, and in this community. So at that moment there is a need of learn new something. We have capability, we have capacity also. We must realize our intelligence, not our intelligence but also our wisdom. This is the method of doing something. And if we know, we can uh, we can just like identify, we can do identify how can we spend our time with anywhere. All the time our mind is going on some activity. Just like this, let me think, our mind wants to do, our mind want to do just like thinking whatever it comes our mind. So this is the need. We need to, there is no need of enchantments, there is no need of magic. This is the method of learning, learn new something. We can observe, and we are here, we talk with someone, we talk our family members. Just like we can make any small sentences. Are you come here, go there, and let me prepare, let me prepare of tea, and I would like to um, uh, drink tea, yeah, take tea. We can say there are so many sentence. Oh, and there are so many advanced level of sentence. Just like I'm habit of taking tea, I'm habit of going outside, I'm habit of talking with someone, and I'm habit of walk walking in the evening time, and I have been speaking with you since morning. In this way we can boost, we can train our tongue. This is the method of enhance any skill, boost any knowledge and gains. This is the method. We know each and everything surrounded ourselves here and there. We can create all these environments, and if we see any greenery outside of anywhere, and then we can make some sentence based on this activity. Just like there are so many trees, they give us any oxygen. Oxygen is the best part of our human beings. There is a need. If we are not breathing based on oxygen, how can we live in this era, in this earth? So there is a need of learn new something, and we know each and everything about ourselves, about here and there, about in this era. So we can learn, and we can make also small sentences. Let me prepare tea, let me go outside, and I want to take tea, I want to go outside, I want to watch TV, I want to give you some new clothes. There are so many sentences. I wanted to talk to you. I would like to talk to you. I would like to drink tea. I would like to buy new clothes. I would like to buy a new sleepers also. And I need to think. I need to uh, I need to think. There are so many sentences we can make. This is the method. There are 206 in our body, and there are 24 hours in a day. So this is the method. We can make any small sentences, and in this way we can improve our English, as well as we can talk with someone. We can self talk. It is the appropriate idea. It is the we can, if we follow in ourselves, just like we can do self talk in ourselves. There is no need, without need. We want to describe all these things. So this is the method of enhance this skill, and we know each and everything about ourselves, about here and there, about this community, and about this environment. This is the atmosphere. We can find out problem means solution. We can find out, and we know each and everything. How can we use our time? How can we define this definition, this ideas and this thought? So this is the method. And if guys, you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it.